Ever wonder what makes Greek yogurt a favorite among health enthusiasts? Well, it's all about the creamy texture and the rich, tangy flavor that sets it apart. Originating from the sunny lands of Greece, this dairy delight has taken the world by storm. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained multiple times, giving it a thicker consistency and concentrating its nutrients. This not only enhances its taste, but also its health-boosting qualities. So what makes Greek yogurt a nutritional powerhouse? Let's find out. Greek yogurt is more than just a delightful treat. It's a nutrient-dense superfood. Imagine a food so powerful it packs a protein punch, essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall body function. But the benefits don't stop there. Greek yogurt is also a probiotic powerhouse. These beneficial bacteria support gut health and aid in digestion, creating a happy home for your gut microbiome. Now, let's talk about bone strength. Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, a crucial element for strong, healthy bones. This creamy delight helps reduce the risk of osteoporosis, ensuring your skeletal system remains robust and resilient. And if you're watching your weight, Greek yogurt is your ally. The protein and probiotics help keep you feeling full and satisfied, supporting weight loss or maintenance. The health benefits continue with improved digestive health. Probiotics promote a healthy gut microbiome, reducing bloating and improving regularity. But wait, there's more. The probiotics and zinc in Greek yogurt support a healthy immune system, helping to fend off infections. Plus, it's packed with essential nutrients like calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and vitamins B12 and B2. After a strenuous workout, Greek yogurt can aid in muscle recovery and reduce exercise-induced muscle damage. And for a radiant complexion, the protein and probiotics in Greek yogurt contribute to healthy skin, reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy glow. Clearly, Greek yogurt is a lot more than a tasty snack. It's a health-boosting, nutrient-packed superfood. Did you know that Greek yogurt can be used in numerous ways in your kitchen? Yes, it's not just a nutritious snack or breakfast staple. Greek yogurt is a culinary chameleon, effortlessly adapting to both sweet and savory dishes. Let's dive into the world of possibilities. Imagine starting your day with a Greek yogurt smoothie, packed with fruits, a hint of honey, and a creamy dollop of this dairy delight. Or perhaps a hearty bowl of Greek yogurt overnight oats, prepared the night before for a fuss-free morning meal. But it doesn't stop at breakfast. Greek yogurt can transform your lunch and dinner too. Use it as a base for creamy salad dressings, or stir it into soups for a satisfying richness. It even works wonders in marinades, tenderizing meats while adding a subtle, tangy flavor. And let's not forget dessert. Greek yogurt can be the secret ingredient in your next batch of cookies, muffins, or even a decadent cheesecake. With Greek yogurt in your kitchen, you're only a scoop away from a healthier and tastier meal. So, we've learned how Greek yogurt is a versatile and nutritious addition to our diet. This creamy delight packs a protein punch, aids digestion, and even supports skin health. From sauces to desserts, it's a versatile ingredient. Next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a tub of Greek yogurt. Your body will thank you.